Hello friends, welcome to today's unboxing video. This is a special package I received today. It's from dbilas, which is a manufacturer of tuning parts, car tuning parts in Germany. And what I did send them to modify was a camshaft for my 1999 E36 BMW 316i and to have it reground. So I received the package back 4 weeks later, and the content should be a reground cam with a more aggressive cam lobe profile for my m43b16 engine, which I plan to install sometime this spring. So let's see what they send. Okay, this looks like fun to remove. It's gonna make a mess, but yeah, oh well. Guess that's how it is if you want to have a safe package returned to you. Okay, so here it is. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, what do we have? dbilas dynamic packaging, original. And in there should be my reground camshaft. So let's see. This is like Christmas. What do we have? We have some instructions. How to avoid breaking camshafts. Okay, so this is just a general note on the installation and what to watch out for. Disclaimer, I guess. Okay, well, who needs that, right? Then what do we have? Okay, this is the actual reground data. As you can see, the duration to 66 degrees, lift 11 millimeters, so a little bit more aggressive than stock. I believe stock is about 240-ish degrees duration, so now 266. I hope this will not cause too much issues with the rough idle, but we will see when we install it. It should be able to run with the stock springs and also the stock map on the ECU. So now this is the diamond, freshly wrapped cam. Okay. All right, looks very clean. Don't see any marks. One-handed. Any marks on here? 2, 4. I guess not. I mean, it's a cam, a reground. You're not going to see too much difference here compared to stock. You have to measure and stuff, but okay, so it is what it is. We will install it, and then we'll see if we can get some more power out of the old little M43b16. So see you next time.